Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Meetwan Thomas, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, SNIT, Adur. So in our previous class, we've learned about centralization of authority and the advantages of centralization. And in today's class, we'll be dealing with the disadvantages of centralization. So what are the disadvantages? Firstly, it destroys individual initiative. Destroys individual initiative. So how can you say destroys individual initiative? Individual initiative in the sense a person will have his or her own ability to come up in life or ability to make a decision making in an organization. So the very initiative of an individual is being put down in case of centralization, as there is only one person who is controlling everything. So it may not permit the organization to know or utilize expertise available at the lower levels of management. The person who is actually doing the work will be able to know much about the problems or the advantages or actually what he is going through, and that may not be the case with the top authority. He will not be in control, or he will not be aware of what is actually happening or what is actually the problem is. So it destroys individual's initiative. It can lower an individual by destroying his innovative capacity and coming up with new ideas. So that happens in centralization of authority. It's just one person who is controlling on the decision making and making others or the other lower level officers to destroy their initiative. That is the first disadvantage. Second one is slows down operations. So how the centralization slows down operational or the organizational operations? See, the decision is being taken by the highest authority, and the people who are actually doing the work has to wait for the directions from the top management. They themselves cannot go on with their decision making, but they have to wait for the higher level officials to sanction and guarantee or finalize the decision making, so that the lower level officers or the workers can go on with it progress of the project or the work that is being handled. So that is so there is a slowdown in the operations. Another disadvantage is unsuitable for large organizations. Why it is unsuitable for large organizations? Because it is mostly impractical in large business organizations, because large business organizations will be having different branches in different locations. So different branches will be having different policies or procedures that is being carried out, and that cannot be handled by a single person. So in large organizations, another set of authority or a decentralization of authority is being carried out in large organizations. So centralization of authority can only be suitable for smaller level of organizations where the hierarchy is very less. Okay, hope it's clear. So these are the disadvantages of a centralization of authority. It destroys individual initiative, it slows down operations, and it's unsuitable for large organizations. Hope it is clear. Centralization is nothing but the majority decisions are being taken up by the top level management, and the lower level management do not have actually any role in the authority or the decision making. And there are 5 advantages that has been listed out: standardization of procedures and policies, that is, there is a uniformity in procedure and policy; coordination of activities; greater efficiency; reduced cost; and centralization simplifies structure. Hope it is clear for you. If you have any doubts, you can contact me or comment in the comment box. So that's all for the day. Thank you.